All right, here's another great summer salad. This is Eggy mashed potato salad. There's lots of pickle in there, lots of egg. Kind of a mixture between an egg salad and a potato salad. Fantastic, what a great thing to have this summer. All right, let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. Now to make our eggy mashed potato salad, first thing we're gonna do is we gotta cook the potatoes here. And I've just got this water coming to a boil right now. I've got a pot full of water. I'm gonna throw a handful of salt in there. I always like to salt it up nice and generously, so toss that in there. That's ready to go. And what we have here is I have 1.5 pounds or about 680 grams. Yeah, it's not gonna be that exact with potatoes, but around about there. And so 1.5 pounds or 680 grams of potatoes peeled, and then they've just been cut into large chunks. Now let's get that right into the boiling water right now so they can start cooking. Ooh, that's hot. Yeah, a little stir. All right, we get those boiling. Once that starts boiling, we're gonna get those cook for 20 minutes until a fork will just go into them so they're fork tender, and then we can mash them. So while that's cooking, let's have a look at our other ingredients here. What we've got is 6 hard-boiled eggs. Now to get the most perfect hard-boiled eggs, I've made you a kitchen tech video, which you can get in our Patreon feed. Just look for kitchen tech videos and you'll see the one about hard-boiled eggs. Shows you how to get the perfect hard-boiled egg, and then also how to easily peel it so you get nice smooth peeling like this. So we got the 6 hard-boiled eggs. Then we've got here is 3 dill pickles. That'd be like about that size right there. Nice, crunchy, refreshing dill pickles. All right, and then chop that up finely. Here, a third of a cup of mayonnaise. And then this is 1 tablespoon of the pickle juice, the stuff that comes in the jar with the pickles. 1 tablespoon of the Dijon mustard, not the Dijonnaise, the Dijon, which is a stronger mustard. And then 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. All right, let's let those potatoes cook. We'll come back here in 20 minutes and then we'll drain them and mash them. See you then. Now, to save time while those potatoes are cooking, let's get those eggs mashed up. So I just take the egg, put them on a flat plate or something with a flat bottom, easy to work with, and take a fork and then just crush down through the egg. Smash that up a bit. Doesn't have to be perfectly smashed. Just so it's into fine pieces like this. There we go. I like to have a couple little chunks in there just to add texture. Okay, so we just keep mashing like that. And there we go. We have a bowl full of mashed up eggs. And notice that I've been mashed them totally fine. There's little pieces left in there. So it's a coarse mash, and it's gonna be fantastic that way. So next thing we can do is we can make our dressing. So let's get the, oh, I didn't have my little spatula here. Let's get the mayonnaise into a bowl. All right, got the mayonnaise in there. I'm gonna add that pickle juice. I'm going to add the Dijon mustard, and then salt and pepper, and now I'm just going to whisk that together. And there we go. Our dressing is ready. we've got our pickles, we've got our eggs, we've got our potatoes cooking. As soon as those come out, we're going to mash them up and we're going to have our salad. See you in a while. So the potatoes have been cooking for 20 minutes. They've been drained. Now we're going to mash them. So I've got my favorite big wooden salad bowl. Just going to dump all the potatoes in there. And grab the potato masher. I don't want to mash these perfectly. I'm just going to kind of crush them. So let's give it a quick crush. Yeah, that's about good. So we've got some chunks still left in there. Yeah, looking good. Okay. Then let's add the pickles and that dressing. All right. Now I'm just gonna mix that in a bit. And now in go the eggs. Mix that around. Just basically combine it all. And there we go. That is Eggy mashed potato salad. And let's have a little taste that. It's going to be hot right now. What we're going to do now is we're going to take this and cover it, throw it in the fridge, and chill it for about an hour or so. But, oh yeah, that's going to be good. All right. So that's going to go in the oven, or in the refrigerator, get chilled for about an hour or so, and then it's going to be ready for a nice, refreshing lunch, dinner. Heck, this is good for breakfast. All right, so enjoy Eggy mashed potato salad. Now, if you got a link appearing on the screen and also clickable in this video's description, you can download and print out this recipe from the Salad and Vegetable Recipes booklet on Kuma's Kitchen's Patreon page. Just click the featured tag called Recipes. Now, go print out the recipe and enjoy Eggy mashed potato salad and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.